Bricks, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. Or ram with me mother food, Spanish town.
What's up YouTube? You don't know it's Shickaa Chung and I'm back at it again today with vlogs. So as you guys can see in the title, I am going to Jamaica just now, actually on Monday. Today's Thursday, so that's like what, 4 or 5 days? I can't bother to calculate, but yeah, I got Jamaica Monday and I just need to prepare myself. So this vlog is gonna be spread over about 4 days, 3 days, because I'm gonna be doing stuff like getting a wax done, do my nails, do my hair and stuff, but I'm not doing everything on the same day. So today I'm about to go get a Brazilian wax. Lord Jesus, me say, yo, anybody who do Brazilian wax know say it's hot. Talk truth, it's hot, right? And I have not done one in it's been like 3 years or 4 years. I don't even know. It's been some years, and girl, child, I am actually nervous. Worse, like I'm going by myself. Normally I always take someone with me, but today I'm going by myself. My appointment is like in like 10 minutes, but it's just across the road, so you already know, say good girl, I gotta reach there on time and be at things. But yeah, I go carry on upon a journey of me preparing to go to Jamaica to go see my boo. But actually the purpose of this trip is not really to see him, but although I have to see him obviously, but it's for my goddaughter. Something's going in with her. Nothing bad. Her birthday's coming up, and I just say from before this corona thing and stuff, I did say I want to go Jamaica October to celebrate with her, even though we can't have no like heap of gathering, but me did already plan, so me I got go down there this a month here. So that's what's going on. So yeah, gonna come along on the journey with me to prepare myself for yard. So guys, I'm in the car. I'm about to leave right now. I'm pulling out. I forgot to tell you guys that by the time when you see this video, I most likely will be in Jamaica. Yeah, but you must say, well, good girl love wear them glasses. Yeah, me say, girl, these glasses are just my everyday glasses for everything, like everything glasses, right? But yeah, let's go. So I reached the place. I'm just waiting. Guys, let me take off this mask. Guys, I could not even like record while I was getting it done because Jano star bombat. Me didn't know say it had got hot, you know, but he hot, man. And then like I had to like hold down there to kind of like stretch it so she's able to rip it off properly. So I couldn't get to record myself getting waxed, but bombat, no sir. But honestly, I don't know if I would come back here because of the fact that they did not do like my buttocks area, like, you know, between the cheeks. They never did that. And normally when I used to get my my Brazilian wax, the buttocks is included, so I don't understand. And like, you know, at the split you have stubborn hairs, right? Like she didn't really take off. Like I have to really go look at it, but when I was feeling like I felt like there was wax still stuck there while I was cleaning myself with oil and stuff, and it felt like there was still hair there. So when I go home, I'm gonna examine like down there and see how she actually did. But I don't like that she did not do my bums, because that means that I have to I'm gonna have to either nair or shave, which I do not like doing those things between the cheeks. But I'm so sorry I couldn't get to record that part, and I'm pretty sure that she teared my skin. Like I felt like I was bleeding, so all them something there. Lord Jesus. I know the first time when me get waxed down there, I'ma bleed still. Like bleed meaning on the top, on the fat part, on the, you know, on the fat. Like it too hot. Like, yo, that's the next thing, yo. So this lady, so nice though. She's so nice. I feel so bad. But bro, when I took cosmetology and they taught us about like waxing and stuff, you're supposed to cool down the wax a little bit, then put it on the skin. They said the girl just dip in the pot and go straight on my skin, bro. Yo, like I'm like, yo, this is too hot. Can you cool it down? She's like, oh, if I cool it down, the wax not gonna stick good. But girl, you're not supposed to burn off my skin, bro. It doesn't matter. Like it felt like torture. Like But anyways, yeah, the next thing I'm probably gonna be getting done is either my nails or my eyelash. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure about the eyelash thing because the person I wanted to do it, she's booked out this weekend. So me not know. So probably do my nails probably on Sunday. Me do all of these things. I'm not sure. But yeah, Sunday for sure I'm doing my hair. As I said before, today is Thursday. So I'm just going back home. I'm just across the road. I have an appointment. I have somebody's hair to do. So yeah, see ya. Like I was saying before, I'm home. I examine the wax. The top part nice, the fat part clean. But why like near the bottom part, like in one of the corners, there's literally like a patch of hair there left. Like, don't upset me. I'm between the split. Don't upset me. Me pay me good money. Me pay what, $50? $50, you'd even do it properly. And you not even do between the cheeks. Like honey. One place when me used to go to, me pay 35. Must it 25 or 35. One of them the money that and them take off everything clean. Don't business if I'm bawling, screaming because it hurts. They took off everything clean. I am not satisfied. I'm glad about the top part, the fat part, but me not satisfied because everything don't come off. Now me, even though they say you're not supposed to like wax and then shave on top or whatever, but me have to go wait a couple days later, probably on Sunday, and clean up what else needs to be cleaned up because me not understand oh she charged that and don't do the right job. So yeah guys, that is just me ranting about my wax. Hey guys, what's up? It is Sunday and I am gonna start doing other stuff like I said in the last clip. I look crazy right now because I need to relax my leave out so that when I do my hair today, you know, everything's on flat. You see it? So that is why I look crazy right now. But yeah, I'm so tired right now. Honestly, guys, like I'm just not in the mood to do anything, but I need to because I'm leaving tomorrow. Outside is so gloomy and tired, but in about an hour, I have a nail appointment at 2 o'clock. So I need to go and start perming my hair. So everything is all right. So because right after the nail appointment, I'm gonna go to my hairdresser and do my hair. But guys, I have so much things like that I need to do. Like I think I need to go to Walmart, but honestly I'm so tired right now. I'm here trying to quickly finish up an assignment and I even have a test. I don't know if I'm gonna end up doing the test today. Most likely, probably in the night, but you know, night before you leave, you have to like make sure that your bags are okay and that the weight is good and you know. So I don't know what's gonna happen. If I don't do it tonight, I'm gonna have to do it at the airport most likely while I'm waiting. But guys, I'm like extremely tired. I actually woke up this morning and I did somebody's hair. I said I wasn't gonna do nothing this weekend, but I did. I'm so tired. But yeah, in the next clip, I will be heading to the nail salon. Alright guys, so I'm actually so late for my appointment. Well, just 17 minutes or 20 minutes late. Yeah, I just reached now, so I am heading in there now. I feel bad when I'm late because I don't like when people are late to my appointment. So yeah, I'll see you in there. Hey guys, so my nails are done. And if I get fit, record while me I do my hand cause they wanted me to not really use my phone. But here's my nails. Can you guys really see it? Just simple. This one could use a gem, but we just do something simple. See it? Yeah. Other hand, everything's opposite. The lighting's kind of bad. See it? Alright. Yes, so guys, I'm gonna go to get my hair done now. I'm actually gonna head to Walmart first and buy some stuff because it's Sunday and I don't want no store to lock on me. Like, even though Walmart normally closes late, but me don't want nothing locked on me. I me not get certain things. I me don't want up on the road when it's too late. But Yeah, bruh. Me tired. Yo, me very tired, as me telling you from earlier. I'm really tired. Anyways, guys, gonna drive off now. Hey guys, so I'm here. I'm doing my hair. Yeah, my ear just I do my ear. I'm also here doing my homework that I was telling you guys about. So yeah, I mean this is how far. I basically just started. So I will show you when I'm halfway done and then when I'm completed. Yeah, guys, my hair is basically done. Just getting the last finishing touches. I will give you guys a 360 view after. Guys, you can definitely see the tiredness in my eyes. You know that from morning I've been saying I'm tired. Yeah. I didn't even go to Walmart yet, like I said I was going to do. So right after, I'm actually gonna go to Walmart and do my final stuff and then go home and go pack. And yeah, tomorrow is the trip. Yeah, guys, I'm loving my new hair. I've not done middle part in so long and straight hair, so I'm loving my hair. I don't know if I'm the only person that this happens to. Every time I do my hair, there's something wrong with the weather. It's either windy or rainy or something. Right now it's raining and I had to literally run out in the rain. But yes, guys. Oh. All right, heading to Walmart now, but I'm basically just done all my fandanglements. Oh God, I'm ready for yard. Jesus. Oh. Okay, guys, I have finally arrived home from doing all of my stuff. I am like, I feel so miserable right now. But yeah, here's a better light of my hair. Here's it. Yeah, so I have things to pack. I have my suitcase right here. I just have to like reorganize everything, make sure that everything is it's weighed 50 pounds and not over, and just make sure I have everything that I need. As I said, I'm just spending 12 days, so I don't need like too much things. So guys, I'm gonna try and take a little rest because as I said, me feel miserable and such. But thank you guys for watching this video of me preparing to go to Jamaica. The next videos you'll see is my vlog. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, everything. All right, guys, later. So big like a wetty pan. That's what you know, boy, I'm very. Come and me back up on the causeway, up on the ferry. We don't care who you